How to fix transaction decline in Valorant. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very simple and easy, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So the first method is you have to simply close your game and restart your game again and again few times, and if this didn't help you have to head over to the step number 2, which is try to restart your computer. So once you are done restarting your computer, go to your settings. If this didn't work for you, you have to simply go to settings and see if some security error is occurring with your game. So you have to go for the Windows security. Once you are here, you have to go for virus threat protection and go for firewall and network protection. Once you have entered here, you have to click on this allow an app through firewall and simply select the Valorant and you are good to go. So I hope this video will help you out. This is how to fix transaction decline in Valorant.